They hate me, but it's because they ain't me. Oh! The camera angle's going. The pizza's boiling. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. Hey, guy. What's up? Trash! Sup, nerds? Fury Rider, bro. And today, Weesby. Oh, f***ing old man. We're driving down to Harley. Duke City Harley, brother. That's my rock song intro, by the way. We're just gonna go look at bikes. Figured we could just talk about a little bit of nothing. I actually got... Oh, brother! Oh, brother! I actually, got it clean today. But I also had to film a moto vlog, too. So I figured, why not just drive down to Harley and look at bikes that we can't afford, you know? That seems like... Don't you f***ing do it, guy. Okay, so before I even get into what we're doing in this video, I got a vent, okay? Okay? Listen to me real good. And listen to me real good. Everybody out here today is driving like a fucking asshole. I went to the dump. It's Sunday, and Sundays I go to the dump. Poop joke. And dude, everybody was driving fucking crazy, and I drive a bigger truck like that, and people were just like testing me. I don't know how to put it. Like they're trying to assert dominance or some shit on the road. I'm like, yo, leave me alone. And everybody else is just driving like fucking assholes. Never me, of course. I'm an angel. I'm a saint. I don't drive in a bad way. I'm a good boy. But anyways, I also wanted to say that one of these days, you know, in all my videos, I'm keep like, oh, I'm never gonna sell my Harley. It's gonna be mine forever. And I'm never gonna trade it up. And boo, 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 boo. One of these days, I feel like just because everything that I've said in the past has backfired, that like one of these days I'm gonna be like, hey, we're just gonna go look at Harleys for fun, and then the next video is gonna be like, new bike reveal, traded up the iron for blah blah blah. It hasn't happened yet. There's always been a perfect storm of things, reasons why not to trade up for me. I'm just saying, I'm sure one day it's gonna oh, that guy's gonna get pulled over. One day it's probably gonna happen. I'm gonna go to like film a moto vlog, and then the next week's moto vlog is gonna be like, new bike reveal, introducing this new bike. I've been making a lot of Squidward noises lately, like but no. So I've been thinking, oh hey, what's up, guy? Yo, he was a real biker, bro, and he waved at me, brother. I've kind of decided, I think I've talked about it in the past, like the next mods I want to do, where I want to take the look of the bike. Y'all guys gonna hate me. I feel it. I feel it in my bones that when I talk about what I want to do with the iron, y'all guys gonna be like, this f***ing guy, bro. This f***ing guy, brother. And then come down to Albuquerque and punch me in the nuts or something. But I'm thinking about going a little bit of a club style. I know it's overdone. Everybody's doing club styles. And I would have totally agreed with you. But I don't know what it is recently. The look of the style has been growing on me. So not only the look, the practicality of it. It's just one of those things, you know, your changes, your, can't even talk. Your tastes change. You have like different ideas of what you want to do. Not necessarily just in bikes, but you know, life in general. There's some songs I listen to now that you would have caught me like 10 years ago. I'd been like hating on it, but you know, tastes change. What I'm thinking about doing is 10-inch risers, but I want to throw a little riser bag on there, you know, to put like my tampons and stuff like that. Isn't that the joke that like most Harley bros make? They're like, that's a cute little bag, brother. What do you use that for? Tampons and my doll? And you're like, sure, I guess. But I figured it, so that is a little bit practical too, because I can throw my phone in there. My fucking vape, bro. But I'm gonna keep these handlebars. As much as I hated them, I think with the risers they'd look pretty good. Oh, you know, just trash cans out in the middle of nowhere for no particular reason. Oh, it's because there's road work ahead, brother. We can't escape it. I told you, this is New Mexico. You cannot escape road work. It's a constant thing. I don't even know what they're doing. I wonder if they're like opening it up so that it's more lanes. That'd be interesting. But yeah, so I'm thinking 10-inch risers, same bars. I want to get the Road Warrior fairing from Memphis Shades. I want to get that fairing, but they're like, oh, it doesn't fit. But anything's a dildo if you're brave enough. Abraham Lincoln. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to make it fit. And I found a T-Sport fairing on Amazon for like 80 bucks. So if it breaks, it isn't heartbreaking. If it doesn't work, it's not a lot of money lost. Like, yeah, it'll suck, but you know, I could probably turn it around and sell it at a swap meet for like 50 bucks. So there's that. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm going with the idea. The biggest thing is just the T-bars, the Memphis Shades, Road Warrior fairing, or the Amazon knockoff. Still got to get the Bung King crash bar. The biggest mods I'm wanting to do are handlebars, because I'm getting tired of being this low. I have that old age. I have them back problems. I don't really have back problems. I want higher bars. And then the biggest mod that I'm wanting to do, if we don't trade this bike up, which I doubt will happen, but like I said, it's always a possibility. I want to do the 1275 conversion kit from Hammer. That'll be fucking awesome, because I'd like to be one of these, turn this into one of those Sportsters you always hear about. The ones that are just like stupid fast. I think it'd be cool. I think it'd be fun. That dog's running away. He's looking for freedom. That couch is running away. He's looking for freedom. So yeah, that's kind of where I want to take the bike. I think it looked pretty cool. I've seen a couple club style Sportsters, and it's really hit or miss. Hey, they were like super happy. Smiles, winds blowing in the hair. That's the kind of shit I love. Like, they were excited to throw out a wave. They're just having a good time. Squirrel! And living life. That's how we do it when we not robbing each other out here. Trash! That was trash too. Yo, it's the Goon Squad. Just driving around with their fucking awesome ass old cars. Cars. That's how my nephew says cars. Cars. We're gonna go in your car. Or like motorcycles, he calls them Moki cycles, you know? And that's why I always refer to Fury as a Moki cycle. My life isn't very interesting, okay? I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I forgot, we left off the last video with a bit of a cliffhanger. Did we die-did? Did we die-did? Did Miss Fury and I die-did? That's the question of the day, you know? That's your homework. You gotta research it. Open up an encyclopedia. We don't use Wikipedia. You can't cite Wikipedia, okay? You have to open up an encyclopedia. The fucking almanac of whatever. And what is it, like Encyclopedia Britannica? Yeah, do that one. Go to journalism.com or whatever it is. Do your homework. Support your thesis. Did me and Miss Fury die-did? Who knows? You have to do the research. Oh, she rolled up the window on me. She was like, this f***ing guy driving his motor bicycle all over the goddamn roads, being a hooligan with his loud exhaust. I'm trying to nap. I don't know what kind of car that was, okay? I'm not good at life. I told you, nobody can drive today. Everyone's an asshole today. Yo, I love art. I don't even know what the f*** I'm talking about today, man. My mind's all over the goddamn place. I don't even have a specific topic. I think this is just a dumb thoughts part 2. It's just nonsensical. There's no point to this story. It's an art film. This motovlog is an art house film, okay? We have a lot of heavy concepts. Visually striking, of course. Just look at the angle of that bus stop with the crackheads in it. Visually striking. Oh yeah, another thing that I wanted to do to the bike is I want to paint the tank. Literally the same color, but I want to get rid of the Harley Davidson. I want to put Fury on the side, because that's my motorcycle's name. And then I was thinking maybe like get an actual Harley emblem for each side and mount it right here. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'd be like, yo, that's pretty dang baller, okay? I mean, there's a ton of things that I'd like to do. I was thinking too, because right now the bike's all black, which I like. Don't get me wrong. I think it's pretty that way. I hate when people do that, like turn last second and you don't. Yeah, because then I could just run into this guy. And I've seen a lot of guys like do, you know, color accents on their bike. Welcome to New Mexico, home of the no turn signal. Like straight up, just stop in the middle of the road and turn. That's how they do it here. Anyways, I was thinking my favorite color is red. So I'm like, yo, wouldn't red accents be cool? But then I was thinking, what if we did like copper accent? I think that'd be really cool. My only problem is that a lot of like lowrider S builds already do that. Because if I was gonna do those types of accents, I want to do like the lines. I've seen like Magnum Shielding has some copper colored braided lines, brake lines, clutch, all that shit. So I'm like, that'd be pretty dope. I just don't know if they sell red. I don't know how I feel about a lot of things. All right, we turning. We're gonna go look at some motorcycles, brother. Oh, you know how it do. You know how it be. You know what to poop. You know what to say. Oh, do you think I was just going for it right into traffic? Do you think I was just gonna kill myself, bro? I'm already dieted. I'm already dieted. This summer, one man dieted so bad. So went and looked at lowrider. You know, the dream I have to one day own a lowrider. But I'd like to own it coinciding with this. Oh, hold on. Ooh, it's the ramp that is that ramp. Yeah, I'd like to own a lowrider one day. It'd be nice, but it'd do what it do. I'm just a broke little man. That's my issues. If I had lots of money, I'd own lots of motorcycles. You know, one thing though that feels weird, like when you go and sit on new bikes, I don't know, it just feels so weird. Because I was sitting on like an Iron 1200, and I mean, literally it's the same thing. I mean, honestly, it probably is the seat, because the Harley seat compared to the Mustang Fastback, it feels a little bit different, but man, it was just like so different. It was, it's weird. They're cool people. I like the people at Duke City. They're pretty dope. What is it with people in white cars following me recently? Here's the thing. I'm sure I probably could trade up right now. And they asked me about it. They're like, yo, do you want to see? And I was like, no. Part of it's just because I still got to go home and clean. Oh, you know this road. Oh, it is a nice day to go for a ride, though. Oh, I'm going to end up behind probably some Dyna Bros. Good burp. Hey, you know what I noticed? Is that like everybody that has a Harley sticker on the back of their car or truck or whatever it may be, they usually are the ones to almost run me over. I hate red lights. They slob on the knob like corn on the cob. That plant was yucky. Get it? Because it's a yucca plant? Ah! Yeah, I think this vlog has been relatively pointless, but it has its merits. It's got a lot of heart, guys. Just give it a chance, okay? Just give this one a chance. Hey, brothers. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna call it on the video. I am thinking about, let's see here, because we're at 9,000 officially. So I am thinking about getting a 9,000, see, we're at 9,000, 9176, that's what we're at. So I am thinking about getting a video done pretty soon of a breakdown of all of what I've done to the bike, how it's held up for the 9,000 miles, and then I'll make a video where I do the 10,000 mile checkup. I call it checkup. Where I do my 10,000 mile checkup, and then I'll do a review. 10,000 miles, what do I think about the iron? I'm gonna make that when I hit 10,000. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the goddamn motherfucking notification squad. Hit that thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, f you and like it anyways. And leave me a comment down below. Tell me your thoughts on either where I'm taking the bike with the future mods that I have planned. So like the club style kind of look, what you think about possibly in the future trading up. I doubt it, because I've invested so much time and money that I don't think I'd want to trade it up. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Watch out for falling rocks. Yeah, okay.